Rinja Dispensary today took part in the state integrated pulse polio immunization to undertake adherence to protocols. The immunization program is part of the nationwide polio immunization carried out throughout the length and breadth of the country to ensure the country is polio free. To avoid crowding, polio drops were given to children between 0 and 5 years of age at their own houses to avoid crowding due to COVID-19 pandemic.
Actually, we are celebrating Polio Monday. Okay, rest of India they have Polio Sunday and they have started the program from yesterday. In Meghalaya we do it from Monday, and this is the day where we organize polio booths where all children below 5 years are to be brought to get their polio drops, which is given orally. And in case some child is not able to come, we later try to go and find them out and give them the drops. Because as I said that it is very, very important to continue to give the polio drops so that your community remains protected, because this disease is still there in our neighboring countries like Pakistan and Afghanistan, and as long as there is a single case anywhere in the world, all children will continue to be at risk. So you know that just like COVID, polio also there is no treatment. We don't have any treatment or cure. So it is very, very important by the use of vaccine we can prevent this disease. And as sir had also mentioned that on 13th of January we have completed 10 years in India where there is no fresh polio case. So we have to continue to keep the children immunized so that they will be protected from polio and the disease will not come back to our country. Yeah, so what we have done, like in our routine immunization as well as in polio vaccination, what we do, we ensure that the COVID protocols are maintained. So you can see that all the beneficiaries who are bringing their children, everybody is wearing masks, they have to sanitize their hands, they have to keep safe distance of 6 feet from each other. So all those protocols we are ensuring that it is carried out. Even when our teams will be going house to house, they will all be wearing masks and ensure that there is no crowding. In Meghalaya we expect around 5 lakh children, that is the average target that we have. So at least 5 lakh children in the 11 districts will be covered during this, starting from today and up to Wednesday.